You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. In this tutorial, we'll explore oxymorons, an intriguing figure of speech. This lesson will help you understand, analyze, and use oxymorons effectively in various contexts. Our objectives follow Bloom's taxonomy to guide you from recognition to creation. By the end of this session, you'll be able to identify, analyze, and creatively use oxymoron in both speech and writing. What is an oxymoron? A figure of speech where two seemingly contradictory terms appear together. Notice how the seriously funny example pairs opposite words to create a meaningful expression. It means something is genuinely amusing and deserve to be taken seriously for its cleverness. How to identify oxymorons? Look for two words placed together that seem opposite. Consider the context. Is the contradiction intentional for effect? Ask, does this contradiction reveal a deeper meaning or feeling? Let's test your memory with this matching exercise. Find a word from column 1 to match with column 2 to form an oxymoron. Beggarly matches with riches to form beggarly riches. Pause the video to match the rest. Identify the oxymorons in these visuals. First one, same difference. Second, awfully good. Third, found missing. Fourth, honest thief. Can you spot the oxymorons? Why do these pairs seem contradictory yet convey meaningful ideas? First one, clearly confused. If something is clear, it can't be confusing. Second, controlled chaos. If something is controlled, it can't be chaos. Third, only choice. If there is only one choice, it is not a choice at all. Fourth, half empty. If something is empty, there will be nothing in it at all. Based on their forms, oxymorons can be categorized as 6 types. Single word, for example, bittersweet. Hyphenated, for example, passive-aggressive. Adjective-noun combination, for example, random pattern. Adverb-adjective combination, for example, seriously funny. Adverb-adverb combination, for example, definitely maybe. Free form, for example, kill with kindness. Let's test our memory with this matching exercise. The first one is done as an example. Pause the video to match the rest. Challenge yourself to create meaningful oxymorons using these prompts. Complete the oxymoron phrases. First one, small crowd. Second, open secret. Third, open prison. Fourth, deafening silence. Let's explore the purpose behind the author's choice to use oxymorons. They use them to make descriptions more interesting and to convey complicated ideas concisely. Identify the oxymoron and explain the author's purpose of the usage in each sentence. First one, exact estimate, emphasizes the unrealistic expectation of complete accuracy. Second one, genuine imitation, suggests that the imitation is convincingly that it appears original. Third one, original copy, clarifies authenticity in context despite the contradictory terms. In the given sentence, what does the oxymoron refer to when analyzed in relation to the visual? First one, unproductive or leisurely. Second, maintaining positive attitude. Third, shared intimacy or bond. Fourth, apparent confusion. Explain what is oxymoronic in these examples. First one, silent and scream are opposites, but silent scream means noiseless or non-vocal. Speed and limit are opposites, but speed limit means maximum speed. Mud, which is dirt, and bath, which is clean, are opposites, but mud bath means a bath in the mud of mineral springs. Jumbo, big, and shrimp, small shellfish, are opposites, but jumbo shrimp means large prawn. Let's compare oxymoron with paradox, irony, and juxtaposition. Each brings a unique flavor to language. All four add depth to language by highlighting contrast. Oxymoron combines contradictory words. Paradox presents a contradictory statement revealing a truth. Irony highlights unexpected contrasts between expectations and reality. And juxtaposition places contrasting ideas together. Literature offers rich examples where oxymorons add emotional depth and complexity. Sweet Sorrow expresses the mixed feelings of leaving someone you love. Bookful Blockhead emphasizes that simply acquiring information does not make one wise. Darkness Visible suggests something unseen yet strongly felt or understood. Create oxymorons that fit these contexts. First, wise fool. Second, calculated risk. Third, tragic comedy. Read the excerpt from Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare and answer the questions. Brawling love, love that causes conflict. Loving hate, hatred intertwined with love. Heavy lightness, something simultaneously burdensome and light. Serious vanity, importance given to something trivial. Follow the Peel method to evaluate the author's use of oxymoron in Easter 1916 by William Butler Yeats. Point: the oxymoron is used to convey the conflicting emotions surrounding the Easter Rising of 1916. Evidence: it is captured in the phrase terrible beauty. Explanation: historical change often comes at a devastating cost, making the victory bittersweet. Link: tragedy and triumph are intertwined, reflecting the dual nature of revolutionary change. To conclude, let's apply our knowledge by writing a creative piece using oxymorons. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of oxymoron. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.